Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn Robinhood into cash account. So make sure to watch this video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is first to know the type accounts that exist in Robin. And basically, first you will have your margin accounts, and of course, if you have already applied to have a margin account. So here you will be able to start trading with unsettled funds from stock and option sales. That means you will start having funds and then you can trade with them. And also there is the cash account. So basically by cash account you will have unlimited day trades and you will start trading with your own funds, etc. So basically all you need to do is just to switch accounts and you will have two options. If you were using the mobile app, you will need just to go to your account. That means your profile. And from there, you will see a three-bar icon in the corner left top. So basically by clicking on it, you will find investing and then you will need just to switch the account type and then switch it to a cash account. Otherwise, if you are using the web app, you will need just to go to accounts and basically we need just to go here and you will need just to go to your account and go to here as you can see, you will need just to go uh, to settings and basically by clicking on settings, here you will find many other options. So as you can see, I only have security and privacy and app appearance and etc. So basically you will need just to click on investing and from there you will find account type. By clicking on the account type, you will need just to click on switch to margin accounts or switch to cash accounts. In this case, we want to switch to cash account and you click on it and that's it. And basically make sure that you cannot switch accounts more than once each trading day. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.